So the Harvard YLC is a 5-day transformational program for exceptional high school students who want to step and understand the world of leadership, communication, problem solving, and collaboration.
And so what YLC helps us do is by combining kind of social change and our understanding that there are real problems in the world, but that we as individuals, by honing our leadership skills, can be the difference in addressing them, is really how we see this understanding of youth leadership come to light.
We develop curriculum, we develop pedagogical tools and teachings that we bring to students through the form of conferences. We turn them into activities and we do our best to provide them in an effective and a clear way for youth all around the world.
We hope to see you at the next Harvard Youth Lead the Change conference.